How to find registration date in Mobile Legends. So if you're looking for registration date for Mobile Legends, you may follow up different methods available. So the number one method you can apply up is you can head over to your Gmail application and locate up the mail. Open up the Gmail application first, and once you open it up, you may locate at the search bar at the top, and in the search you can type in Moonton and search for the Moonton email address. This one right here. And once you open it up, there you will be finding the registration date of when first your account was created in Mobile Legends. Mine was in 6/10/2024. So this is one of the method you can apply. If you do not want that, you can head over to Facebook application as well. Open up Facebook, and once you open up Facebook, you can head over the menu at the top left. And once you open it up, you can head over to settings, look out for settings and privacy, drop it down, and open up settings of your Facebook. Now, once you open up settings, you may scroll down from the given options and look out for the section of apps and website and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it opens up your apps and website. Now, from here, you may look out for your Mobile Legends application. Right now, for example, let's say Candy Crush Mobile Legends. You need to tap on it in, or you can directly find the added date right here. You may look out for that date, and that way also you can find your registration date in Mobile Legends. Apart from that, you can directly find it within the Mobile Legends application as well. You may look it up the date within the Mobile Legends, and that way also you can find the registration date in Mobile Legends. So those are some of the way you can follow up if you would like to find your registration date for Mobile Legends. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.